Good morning. Time to do our drills. If you are not doing the drills from the very first sections that I did every single day, then you need to start with these ones because drills are important and must be done daily to make sure that you are getting your reading and spelling rules in your head. Here we go. We're going to start. Ready, everybody? If you can, please stand up where you are. If it's possible, stand up. Here we go. K in duck, E in me, O in go, I in fly, A in pray, St in stop, pull in plane, fur in frog, tur in train, sh in ship, th in thick, th in this, bull in block, cool in clock, full in flake, goal in glue. Keep going with me. Here we go. Bur in bride, dur in drum, purr in pray, gur in grin, sn in smoke, sk in scat, sk in skate, sp in spade, cur in crab, tw in twins, spull in splash, spur in sprain, skr in scream, squa in squeak, sn in snack, slull in sleep, stir in stream, sw in swim. You're doing good. Now we're going to have to go a little slower on this one. This one's our newest one. We're not quite familiar with it yet, but here we go. Thur in three, R in stars, ch in church, or in morning, ow in out, ow in owl, o in bowl, in verse, in nurse, in bird, oi in coy, oi in boy, in book, oo in tooth, were in worms, I in night, all in ball, awk in walk. Now, in case you think we're finished with our drills, don't forget that numbers are very important too. So let's look at our numbers. Here we go. We're going to do counting by tens. Now, which row is our counting by tens row? Our final row right here. So let's look over here and let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Let's count to 10 forwards and backwards. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards, do your popcorn. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Popcorn! Good job. Now we're going to count by fives. 5 would use this column here and the final column here. Okay? We're going to do this a little slower than last time just because I'm still afraid that you guys are skipping a couple numbers in between here. It should be real easy for you. You've done this for a while. Let's try. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That's very good. That's counting by fives. That's counting by nickels. The same thing. Okay? Now let's do by twos to 20. Twos are the numbers you use when you count by twos. Those are your even numbers. The numbers you use when you count by twos are your even numbers. That's what we're counting by, evens. 2, skip 4, skip 6, skip 8, skip 10. So here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Here are the rows that you use when you count by twos. They all ended with 2, all end with 4, all end with 6, all end with 8, and all end in 0. Okay, those are the numbers you use when you count by twos. Those are your even numbers. Your other numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, those are called odd numbers. We are not learning how to count by odds this year, so we're not going to worry about those right now. But we are going to look at our coins. And you know how we do these. Do it the same way every time. So let's start with this one. Penny, 1 cent, nickel, 5 cents, dime, 10 cents, quarter, 25 cents. Now do it again. Penny, 1 cent, nickel, 5 cents, dime, 10 cents, quarter, 25 cents. What if I mix them up? I mixed them up for you the other day. Now if they're mixed up, do you remember them all? Who's the little fella? The dime. How much is he worth? 10 cents. Who's the little brown fella? The penny. 1 cent. What about this big giant one? Quarter, 25 cents. And this one? Nickel, 5 cents. And who is this? This is our $1 bill. $1 bill. All right, you did pretty good with your drills today. We did not do our addition facts, so if you think you need to do your addition facts, you need to go back to the very first video and watch that video. Have a good day.